How to install a TV box on your television. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, you'll learn the step-by-step process of installing your TV box on your television. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, where I always make various tutorials to make it easier for you. So guys, there are already other TV box videos here on the channel, okay? If you want to learn how to format your TV box, how to install a Netflix app, a Disney Plus app, okay? I'll leave the series of videos you can watch on the card now, okay? If you have any video suggestions, just put them below in the comments. So in this video, you'll learn how to install your TV box on your television, on your smart TV, which is a very simple process, okay? All you'll need is an HDMI cable, okay? To connect to your TV. So I'm going to do the step-by-step here. I'm going to hang up here to do the TV box step-by-step. So all you'll need to do is install your TV box on your television, okay? It's an HDMI cable, okay? The HDMI input, right? It's usually on the back of your device, okay? It's this port right here, okay? So you need an HDMI cable and an internet cable to watch your TV shows and movies, okay? Surf the internet. Here's the power cord you'll plug in to turn on your TV box. And some USB ports, okay? Here you can plug in your mouse keyboard, okay? It usually has more than one USB port. So first, let's turn on the TV box. I've already plugged the power cord into the TV box. Then just plug it into an outlet, okay? Now I'm going to plug in the HDMI cable. HDMI cable connected, okay? To the TV box. Now I'll plug in the other end, okay? From the cable to the TV. Choose an available port, okay? HDMI on your TV. That's it, the power cord is connected. The HDMI cable is connected. Now I'm going to plug in a network cable, okay? To get internet on my TV box. I've already plugged in a mouse, okay? My mouse in the USB port. I picked any USB port here and plugged in my mouse, okay? Now to watch your TV box on TV, you have to change the source on your TV. What do you mean, Leo? For instance, since we connected it to an HDMI port, we have to click on your TV's remote. Click here on source, alright? Source or HDMI. And choose the port you connected, okay? And on my TV, the input option already shows up here. I need to change it, okay? It's set on television. I have to set it to the HDMI port I connected the TV box to. So I scroll down a bit. I click OK. Okay, and my TV box is already connected. Okay? Correctly. I even changed the system, okay? My TV box came with the Android system. No matter how much I formatted it, it didn't help, okay? I had to change the system. If you have any doubts about how to change the system on your TV box, okay? Just put it down here, and if there are a lot of comments asking for it, I'll make a video about it, okay? If you have any questions, put them below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be leaving it at that. A big hug, stay with God. Thanks.